So today, please turn that down.
No! Someone
So-
used their infinity gauntlet
I
on
will
me.
be playing. Oh my god.
I have the most
Die!
points.
Sapphire, die! I'm killing you, Sapphire! I'm the leader! You can't disrespect the leader!
You don't disrespect me, buddies.
Don't ever disrespect me! No, the leader. You know, I'm just, yeah.
I
Okay.
pressed it.
You should have pressed it!
Why?
Ah!
That's
Oh,
what
I
it's
know
called.
a
Don't
hack.
press-
I know a hack.
I know it's called don't press the button, but it was catchy, okay?
Look, I know a hack.
Nice. I don't, okay? I wanted to press the button. It looked, I thought it was an apple, okay? I thought it was an apple. I'm sorry if I kill you all.
Okay, guys, next time we can't press the button, okay?
Okay. Whatever you say, buddy.
Alright.
Yeah, whatever you say.
Because that's what this game is called. And you know why? Because I'm gonna
I
press
pressed
it.
it.
I find the correct pad.
Nope. None of them are. None of them are.
Okay, I'm pressing it.
You said just a minute ago not to press
It said be careful, but I didn't see. Okay.
I cheated. I'm flying.
I can't fly.
Why? Because you have to buy a rocket and be able to fly. I have real wings.
I don't have enough for it.
I do. I have enough for another one. I'm buying pizza.
Okay. We'll be going to the mountain today.
It's an obby.
Someone's cheating with their flying carpet.
That's cheating.
I know, right?
Buddies, why are you cheating?
Oh, hi, Sapphire. Bye.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to go down here. Ah, shit.
I can do this.
You start all the way at the end if you die. You want? What is that?
Trying to get to the end. I'm
I'm
almost
cheating.
at the end. I got to the end.
I didn't.
Let me in that warm house now.
I'm dying on purpose.
Yeah, so...
Look.
Okay, this time, guys, we can't press the button, okay? I won't press it. Madison won't press it. So, Sapphire, don't you dare press it, okay?
Why? I want to press the button. I got pizza. I'm eating pizza.
I'm gonna go in first
You have
person.
to
and
avoid
doing-
them.
I'm in first person doing this.
You have to avoid them or you will die. Julie. See,
know.
like I did. Whee!
I won.
Is it fun in first person?
Pretty cool. I won. I survived.
All you have to do is off the earth. It's this
Only
one.
one of them is the correct door.
It's this one. Now it's this one. Oh, not.
Oh.
Oh, not.
You said it was that one, so I believe
It's
you.
this one, then green. Okay. It's green.
Then what one?
No, wait. Let me use my awesome skills, okay? Yeah, they're all the exact same. It's red, okay. Wow. I pressed it.
Reach the end. Only one bridge is safe.
Yeah, that's not safe. Julia, I keep pressing the button.
I went on the right one. Never mind. Bruh. Oh, I don't.
I just bought a gun that says what does this say on it? Bang. I can do it. Bang. It says bang on it.
Oh yeah, I used to have a gun. That's okay. Watch out for the mummy.
It's the mummy. No, mommy. I got some money up here, Sapphire. Grab the money. Grab the money.
I'm grabbing it. Grab the money. After all the money.
Look, guys, I have a huge bag. Like, it's like a big bag full. Look.
Yeah,
You
that has infinity Robux.
Robux. All games.
Okay, there's a tsunami, so we gotta get to high ground. We got the high ground.
I'm survived.
So far.
So far. I survived.
We can do this.
You have to get to high ground.
I survived that.
I died. I'm dropping some more Robux. You won't be able to get Robux.
Yeah, because I pressed the button again.
Robux.
Find the button.
Someone found it.
Aw, dang it.
Oh, I was going to press that.
Pressed it. Help Santa his presents.
I don't have.
Find his presents. Oh, I found one. Here's your present. I found one.
I found one. I found a Christmas one in the cave. All of us have to find different ones. I already found mine.
Me and you are helpers. I'm finding a bunch of them.
Nice.
But everyone has to find a present.
I found one.
But so far only 3 people did.
Me, you, and this person. Guys, there's one in the cave. In the cave over here.
Ah, they're stupid.
I fell off the earth.
Where are we now? Repair the broken windows. I don't care. That's
Julia,
not my problem.
I died because it flew me off the earth. It flew me off the earth.
So I...
Pizza.
Yeah.
Rocket.
I hope you guys got back here.
Robux. Stop. Robux. Robux. Okay, I'll stop dropping money.
Okay.
Bang.
Well, I guess we should end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed.
Bang.
Anyway, guys.
I pressed the